Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, everybody, to the Crypto Logic podcast, man. So you guys have seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. Today, we're talking about Alliance Block. Everything you need to know about Alliance Block in 10 minutes or less. Can't promise you that we can hit that, but we're going to try. Yeah, guys, so this is our second logical breakdown, right? I think it's our second logical breakdown. Cool.
Yeah, we saw that you guys liked the VXV one.
Yeah.
We wanted to keep that going. So.
Yeah, man. So, all right. So let's just dive in because we don't got a lot of time. All right.
Yeah.
So the current price at the time of making this video, man, is sitting at 99 cents or 99.97 if you want to be technical. Now, John was stating that we found this, at 50 cents?
50 something cents. Yeah, 49 to 50 something cents.
We were right in this range right about
July.
Here. And then as you guys can see, it's just been trending up ever since.
Been dollar cost averaging since.
Yeah, man, because I mean, honestly, Alliance Block is pretty powerful. It's actually really powerful.
You dive into that. There's potential there. It's one of those cryptos that we think that's because we've seen it's been floating around coupled with the QUANT, the VXV, LCX, DAG, UOOS. These crypto HBAR, like these cryptos, if you've noticed, they've been circulating and being mentioned together.
Yeah,
and we're gonna go deep dive on that. But these are the ones that we think are gonna change the game, change everything after the bear market.
Yeah, 100%.
And then the new bull run comes up and the full adoption comes around. These are the cryptos that are gonna be the powerhouses, we believe.
Right. So here's the actual website, guys, and I'm going to let John explain what Alliance Block is in the simplest form. Just if somebody doesn't know anything about Alliance Block, take it away. Let them know what Alliance Block actually is.
Yeah, so like previously mentioned, this crypto has been circulating around with people who have been doing deep dives in the cryptos that are involved with interoperability, involved with finance, and involved with making things easier for people who have a lot of money, wealth, the businesses, corporations, elites, anything you want to call them,
hedge funds,
asset managers, and making it easy for them to go into the crypto space, right?
Yeah.
Those are all those cryptos, and it has nothing to do with NFTs or anything like that. This is just to bridge the real world with the digital world. So to read that, right, the website basically, it's Alliance Block is building the world's first globally compliant. That's the key word right there, compliant. That's what all the governments want.
Compliant.
They want you to be compliant.
Yep.
Decentralized capital market. We talk about it on this channel all the time. Capital ventures, venture capitalists, asset managers, hedge funds. That's their world, and they're trying to. Alliance Block is going to make it easier for them to transition their world into the crypto world. And I'm also going to read a very formal definition of it, and then I'll try and break that down as best as I can. So, what does Alliance Block actually do? Well, Alliance Block is a blockchain agnostic layer 2 technology that bridges traditional and decentralized finance and automates the process of converting any digital or crypto asset into a bankable product. It leverages proprietary AI technology to rate both corporates and investors. So the first part is blockchain agnostic. What that means is that this blockchain technology is interoperable. It means that it can work with any other blockchain and any other layer 1, layer 2 technology. So that's a good thing. It doesn't need help from another crypto to do its job. It can do its job just based on itself, and it's there to help. So other cryptos can use Alliance Block to work on other cryptos, which is why when we go down the deep dive more, they have massive amount of partnerships. Why? Yeah. Because they can use their technology to help other cryptos. QUANT is interoperable. Hollow, Chainlink, London Stock Exchange, Station F, Amazon, FinLab, Kairos, even HBAR. Yep. Amazon, right?
There's Hedera Hashgraph,
Energy Web, DAO Maker, Unizen, Ava Labs, Covalent, Vendetta.
There's tons and tons of partnerships.
And I've seen somewhere where the owner says that we're not looking to take over anyone. We're not looking to compete with anyone. We want to work with everyone. Right. Alliance Block is trying to make money smarter. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to take the real money from the physical world, all these hedge fund managers, Wall Street, whatever you want to call them. They have no preface of who's better, who's not better. They just want to make sure that, hey, you can take real money and turn it into a decentralized digital asset, and then you take a digital asset and then make it a bankable product for them in the real world. And it just allows the bridge to go this way. You can use CBDCs, anything you can think of. They're gonna make it flow back and forth, and then allowing AI technology to help corporations and investors. Just like how VXV kind of does it, but it's gonna make it easy for millionaires, billionaires, corporations, hedge fund managers make smart decisions with their money and make their money safe on the blockchain in the digital world.
Yeah,
So that's as simple as I can put it. It's just think of a cradle, like a bridge, back and forth. Like they allow it to make it easy for these rich people to make their money and make their money work for them. So
Makes a lot of sense
in that technology.
While we're on the subject of partnerships, I just want to point this one out. Ocean right here is Ocean Protocol, if I'm not mistaken, and that has to do with it's in the VeChain ecosystem.
Yeah, Ocean Protocol. Yeah, so that's why AP13. The Alliance Block is one of those cryptos that it starts off at one thing, and in 5 years is doing 20 other different things that you couldn't even think of it doing. It's that type of crypto.
Yeah,
and then it's the possibilities of it are endless, and since they're so open to partnering with other cryptos, it's crazy how the possibilities of where it can go. You know what I mean?
It's pretty interesting. All right, let's move on to the price prediction of where we think they could go. Now, short term, if you're gonna swing trade this, which I don't think you should, but if you wanted to swing trade this, we're on the 4-hour chart right here, and I did the Fibonacci retracement, and currently resistance, is sitting at about 150. So it has to break past this 150 to continue to go up. So I would say price targets to look at would be, the first price target would probably be $1.82. The second one we're looking at is about $2.40. The third one, $2.90. And then the final at that 423 would be at like $3.28. If you want to swing trade this, those are the kind of price targets you can kind of look at. But long term, John, where do you see Alliance Block actually going?
I think, honestly, me personally, seeing it has 100 billion tokens, the conservative part of me will say $25, and then if you kind of go in the middle, $50, and then it can go past $100, and then from $100, once it hits $100, I don't see it stopping to 300 over like the course of 5 to 10 years. As a technology, I'm thinking long term, as the technology of the world is going to evolve, continue to evolve.
Right.
I could see this thing being 500, 600, 7, 9, 1,000, but short term, within 5 to 10 years, anywhere from $25 to $100. But that sweet spot is that $50 mark. I feel like a $50 Alliance Block is literally, I could see it. And I'm like, okay, it's like guaranteed in my mind. It's like guaranteed. But over 100, I'm like, oh yeah, I think it could hit that, but that's gonna take more of a belief in this project. And just reading about it, saying, this is the critical line here. It says, basically, Alliance Block is going to reflect how traditional finance would be redesigned today with current technology. So think about how we do finance now. Alliance Block is going to be one of the ones that changes how we look at finance, how we handle finance. In any way you could think of, in corporation world, the real estate, everything you can think of. Alliance Block is going to be one of the ones that changes how we look at finance. And that's why I'm like, okay, long term, Amazon Power, how it changed the whole way of buying stuff online.
Now, we're going to get those people that talk about market cap and things of that nature.
Yeah,
so due to the current price in the current tokens in circulation, I should say, if it reaches $50, what would the market cap be at this current time?
Okay, so if it hit what do you mean, like $50?
Yeah, $50 at the current supply that it is. I think it has...
Oh, it'd be 11 billion. The market cap would be about $11,650,000. So it would be in the top 20. It'd be like number 16 if everything stayed the same, right?
Right.
If Alliance Block had hit $50, it'd be $11.6 billion market cap, which would make it a top 20 crypto.
Now, currently, when we talk about the current tokens in
circulating
supply,
so
that is 232 million.
Yeah, and I rounded up to 233.
So if it had the full max supply of that billion, what would the market cap be if it was at 50 bucks?
50 billion. It'd be a 50 billion market cap, which is very possible. We've seen multiple cryptos do it. Cardano was going to be the third $100 billion. It's going to happen.
Right.
I feel like it's going to happen. It's going to happen. All these partnerships, $50 billion market cap would make it $50 with the total supply out. Out and circulating into 100 billion.
Put in
1 billion.
Top 5?
It'd be top 5. It'd be number 4 or 3. Actually, number 3. It'd be 3 or 4.
We're giving you this context because there's going to be a lot of people on this particular episode, and they're going to ask, oh, that can never happen because of market cap and this and that.
Yeah.
But you have to realize the top 5 as it currently stands will not be the same top 5-10 years from now. Or, you know, the market cap's going to be way higher anyway.
Bitcoin's going to be a couple trillion. Ethereum's going to be $1 trillion. XRP could be $1 trillion.
Yep.
Cardano's going to be hundreds of billions. I don't think it'll be $1 trillion. It'll be hundreds of billions. You got Chainlink, you got Alliance Block, Vectorspace, Quant is going to be probably in a couple hundred billions. Just think of a crypto market cap, overall market cap being, we're past 10 minutes, but we're good.
We explained it. We explained it in under 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we did it. So think of a world that the total overall market cap of crypto is 5 trillion, 7 trillion, 10 trillion, just like the stock market is over 94 trillion. And then 10 years ago, it was 50 trillion, 49 trillion or something like that, 54 trillion.
Right.
And now it's at $95 trillion. $95 trillion. That's a stock market. That's like PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Microsoft, Facebook, AMC, GameStop.
Yeah.
So think of the crypto, and with regulation going on, this is what they want. They want the elites, the big boys. They know, hey, we need to make everything smart. Everything needs to be fast. Everything needs to be efficient. Everything needs to be protected. What protects the best? The blockchain technology.
Yeah.
Everything's decentralized in a sense, but they obviously want to make it centralized in their way. But they're gonna take this crypto that we have right now, that we're in early, and make it their own little game, and then make it like a stock market and make it compliant for their rules and then their playground.
Yep.
They're gonna rebuild the playground.
Yep.
You just gotta be on the right side of of that fence.
100%.
It's like a wall coming up. Are you just gonna stay on this side of the wall? Or you're gonna get on the other wall, and then when the wall comes up, you're good.
Exactly.
It's a dumb analogy, but
exactly.
That's how my brain is thinking of it. I'm like, hey, I like this technology. I'm in. Dollar cost averaging, not financial advice, but it's just inevitable. The price is gonna come. Don't worry. I sent out a tweet the other day, and now we're ranting, but I sent out a tweet saying, stop worrying about the price.
Yeah.
That's gonna come.
Yeah.
Don't worry about, I make $100. I'm at that point now where I'm at peace, where I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna focus on the technology. I'm gonna focus on their partnerships, and that's what I'm gonna focus on. I'm not focusing on the money anymore because I know it's gonna come.
Exactly.
They're gonna come. The big boys, they're coming. They smell the blood in the water. The sharks are coming.
Yeah,
they're coming,
100%.
and they're gonna eat everything and take everything up. And I'm gonna hop on one of them and just be like, I'm on one, and I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna fight them. I'm not gonna be against them. I'm not gonna get out early. They're coming and they're gonna take over everything, and we're gonna just hope that you are on the right side of it.
100%, man. Couldn't have said it any better. But that was it, guys. Alliance Block in under 10 minutes. Now, I know this video is a little more than 10 minutes, but the point is we made it under 10 minutes, all right? If you guys want to fact check us, you can do that in the description down below or the comment section, whatever you want to do. But if you look right underneath me, guys, is our public Discord. We would really love for you guys to join it because, you know, especially if you're new and you're probably new to Alliance Block if you're watching this video. If you want to be around people that are like-minded and have the same understanding as you, then definitely join the Discord, man. It's a very safe place for, you know, newer investors to get an understanding of where they want to go. It's really,
we have over 120 members now, and it's growing pretty fast. A lot of good communication in there. It's a lot of gems, a lot of ideas, just different perspectives. There's people that don't know what to do with their profits. There's people that don't know what to do when things are down. And just having someone in there that knows your struggle, that knows the thought, that has the same thoughts as you, that's thinking of, should I sell now or should I keep buying more? Is it high? Just being able to talk to someone that knows what you're gonna ask and what you're asking, they understand you.
Exactly.
Instead of asking someone that has no idea what crypto is and they're like, oh, just sell. Why would you keep losing money? When someone is gonna be like, hey, hodl, buy more, lower your average. Who cares? Long term, like that's what we all need. That's what we're trying to build, where everyone has a safe place to just talk about crypto, and then you might find some new tokens. You might see some tokens that you never even thought existed, that you didn't even know that you liked, and you end up going down a rabbit hole and you love that token, and then you find more tokens, and then you know the one that you invest in does 1,000%.
Yeah,
it's happened. It's happened in the Discord with I'm not gonna name any tokens, but it's happened a couple times already.
Exactly.
In our Discord, just through our Discord, and I'm pretty sure it's happened with everyone else that's into this, and that's what we're trying to build here. And if you want to join in, click the link.
It's
like us on Twitter,
under,
TikTok, Instagram.
The Beacons link, correct? Still under
there's a Beacons link.
Got it.
Click the Beacons link, and it'll pull up a little page, and it's right underneath the YouTube video. And then click the Discord. It'll send you in right away.
Exactly. So the goal on our channel, man, is really to help you create generational wealth through logic and understanding. And we try and put as much value in our YouTube videos, our TikTok, our Twitter, and our Instagram as much as possible. We post on those literally every single day. So right underneath John, you will see our Twitter, our TikTok, and our Instagram at Crypto Logic Pod. And follow us there, man, and subscribe to the channel if you want to, help create generational wealth for yourself and have that understanding. All right. Take care, guys. God bless. Be safe. Peace.